Hey guys, so remember those fall containers that I planted with you a few weeks ago? Here is an update. One of them I stuck right here by the arbor and it looks amazing. Look at this Coleus. Ooh, it got so big and full. Now the petunia over here has not bloomed since I planted it, but it is still growing. I did put a cutting. One of the cuttings doesn't look like it's gonna make it, but the other, and two cuttings aren't gonna make it, but this one is. So you it's hit or miss when you propagate straight to soil. Look at my Coleus, Sedona Sunset, gorgeous. I love that color. And then the grass that I planted in here is kind of getting, overshadowed by everything else. It still has not made its comeback and produced new flowers, but it does have some green on it still. We'll see what happens. It's not a big deal because the Coleuses are kind of taking over and outshining everything anyways. Okay, so let's move on to the next pot. Now this is the pot that looked fall-like that I had done just with whatever was left over, and it is beautiful. I moved it over here next to my big tall cannas, and they all look so good together. The cannas here actually are the perfect colors for fall containers, so I'll definitely be leaving those as they are. There's no change necessary. But back to this pot. Caladiums look amazing. The Coleus is doing super well. Such brilliant colors. I love it. The grass is doing really well in this container. No complaints. It looks beautiful. I'll probably move this one again. I think I kind of want to put it in between the cannas over here by this ladder. So put this big pot right there. I think that would be a good space for it. The cannas are just amazing. They're amazing. I need to collect some seeds because I would love to grow some seeds from these next year. It would be amazing. Beautiful. Okay, so let's find the last one. So here's the pot. I didn't do this in the video with the other ones, but this is the one where I had propagated Coleus cuttings, planted them, and then planted this last grass that I had left over from summer. This pot is doing pretty good. The grass is not really bouncing back like I expected. I'm still gonna give it some time. If anything, if it just all turns brown, it still is gonna look very folly in this container, so I'll just leave it. But yeah, I mean, I love the colors. Propagating plants is an easy way to save money, and definitely if you are in a situation where you buy spring and summer plants and then fall is just maybe too much, start propagating in summer and having those little plantlets ready. You could start some seeds and have those ready. Grass grows so easily from seed. I grew some. It's in the last pot that I showed you guys. And you could create your own fall containers for super cheap. Use pots that you already have or buy pots on clearance. And just, yeah, I mean, you can do stuff. It's just all about what you want. If you want to spend less or if you want to spend more, it's all up to you. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions about my fall containers, and I'll see you guys in the next video.